Good morning, children. Welcome back to our science class. Previous class, you wrote only two questions. Okay, sorry for that. Now, all of you take page number 203. Question number 5. Answer very briefly. Question number 5. Write that. Write this in your classwork note. Write any two economic importance of fungi. Write any two economic importance of fungi. Mushrooms contain rich protein, minerals and are edible. Example, agaricus. Then the antibiotic penicillin is got from the fungus Penicillium notatum. Other antibiotics like gentamicin, erythromycin are also got from fungi. The antibiotic penicillin is got from the fungus Penicillium notatum. Other antibiotics like gentamicin, erythromycin are also got from fungi. Write it fast. Penicillium notatum, Penicillium, Penicillium notatum, Notatum. Then antibiotics, look at the spelling and write Antibiotics, antibiotics. Okay, then answer briefly. First question, write a short notes on natural system of classification. Write short notes about natural system of classification. First point, in this system, plants are classified on the basis of several characters. Bentham and Hooker's classification is an example of natural system of classification. Wherever comma comes, you put comma, then apostrophe, then full stop. Where capital letter comes, you put capital letters and write. Okay, children? This system of classification is based on morphological. This classification is widely used in many herbaria and botanical gardens all over the world. This classification is widely used in many herbaria and botanical gardens all over the world. Then Bentham and Hooker published their natural system of classification in their book named Genera Plantarum in 3 volumes. Genera Plantarum in 3 volumes. Now second question, write any 3 economic importance of algae. Agriculture. Some of the blue-green algae are essential for the fixing of atmospheric nitrogen into the soil, which increases the fertility of the soil. Example, Nostoc anaphina. Some of the blue-green algae are essential for the fixing of atmospheric nitrogen into the soil, which increases the fertility of the soil. Example, Nostoc anaphina. Answer is not completed. Wait. Then agar agar. Agar agar is extracted from some red algae, namely Gelidium, Gracilaria, etc., which is used to prepare growth medium in laboratories. Which is used to prepare growth medium in laboratories. Next, iodine is obtained from brown algae like Laminaria. Write the differences between algae and fungi. Write the differences between algae and fungi. First write algae. Algae are autotrophs. Algae are autotrophs. It has pigments. Reserve food material is starch. Some algae are prokaryotic in nature. Example, cyanobacteria, Nostoc, Anaphina. Nostoc, Anaphina. Anaphina spelling Anabaena. It is not clear. Anabaena. Okay, Anaphina. Now fungi. Fungi are heterotrophs. Fungi are heterotrophs. It has no pigments. Reserve food materials are glycogen and oil. All are eukaryotic nature. Example, Agaricus. How many classes are there in bryophytes? What are they? How many classes are there in bryophytes? What are they? Bryophytes are classified into three classes. Class Hepatica, liverworts. Okay. Example, Rixia. Example, Rixia. Then Anthocerote, homeworts. Example, Anthocerus. Then class 3 Massite, that is mosses. Example, Funaria. Class 1 Hepatica, liverworts. Example, Rixia. Class 2 Anthocerote, homeworts. Example, Anthocerus. Then class 3 Massite, within the bracket masses. Example, Funaria. Write any 4 characters of pteridophytes. Write any 4 characters of pteridophytes. The main plant body is sporophytes. Which is the dominant phase differentiated into true root, stem and leaves? Sporophytes reproduce by means of spores. Spores are produced in sporangium. Third point, the sporangia bearing leaves are called sporophyll. The sporangia bearing leaves are called sporophyll. Most of the plants produce only one type of spore. It may be either microspore or megaspore, that is homosporous. Did you write, children? Okay, then answer in detail. Answer in detail of first question மட்டும் இன்னைக்குள்ள கிளாஸ்ல எழுதுவோம் சரியா? Remaining 4 questions are there. We will write them in the next class. Draw the outline of Bendhaman-Hooker system of classification. Outline of Bendhaman-Hooker system of classification. Seeded plants within the bracket division. Then Dicotyledonnae class 1 within the bracket. Polypetalae, that is subclass within the bracket. Thalamiflorae, Disciflorae, Thalamiflorae, Disciflorae, Calciflorae. Thalamiflorae, Disciflorae, Calciflorae. Thence in Petalae, subclass 2, Inferae, Heteromerae, Bicorbellate. Inferae, Heteromerae, Bicorbellate. Next, Monoclamidae, subclass 3, series 8, family 36. Series 8, family 36. Then Gymnospermae, class 2, within the bracket again 3 families. Within the bracket. Then Monocotyledone, you write class 3 within the bracket. Then again series 8, family 36 within the bracket. Write within the bracket. Okay. Okay, children. This lesson is not completed, and also you have answer in detail. We will write them in the next class. Okay, children. We meet again in the next class. Thank you all.